are back with another Lookfantastic unboxing. I haven't been doing them, but it's actually not my fault. I've been getting the boxes pretty late. I think everyone's been getting the boxes really late. For example, the April box I got last week, but I think we're back on schedule because I just got the May box and I'm very, very excited. This combination of colors was my favorite combination when I was younger. My whole room was orange and pink, which now sounds a little weird, but yeah. Let's dig into it because I'm really, really excited. Can you tell by my voice that I'm excited? Because I miss doing these unboxing videos. And this month's saying is Hanyoku. I don't know what language this is, but it's the act of walking on tiptoes on warm sand. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my god. It's very summery and very cute. That just warmed my heart. My cold, dead black heart. Jet black heart. So we have here the little leaflet, which we'll go back on. We have May's L with Winnie Harlow. So let's break the seal. Oh my god, I'm already excited. Okay, so last month's box was actually really good. I don't know if it's still available, but it was really, really good. If it is, it will be down below in the description box. This is really, because it's so freezing outside, the mailman just came in. This is freezing. Anyway, let's start with my favorite piece that I've just looked at it. So it's a sleek product. So excited. I love sleek makeup. It's a face contour kit, pressed contouring powder, and highlighter in one. It's a shade medium, which I'm kind of sad about. I wish it was light. But let's see if I can wear this as a very light touch. If I can't, this will probably be gifted to my sister because you know she's darker than me. Oh, but this is not too dark. I think this is workable. Like with a light hand. It's a really nice contour powder because it's not too ashy and at the same time it's not too warm. It's definitely not too warm, which I was worried about. When it's not too warm, I can work it in and make it work for me. And the highlighter shade as well is not too dark. Very creamy, pigmented but blendable. It's just really, really cool. I really like this. And it's such a pretty little compact thing. Great for traveling. All these boxes I think are so good for traveling. I have like a huge box filled with stuff that I like to use just for traveling because they're super compact and super practical. I love their eyeshadow palettes, very good for the price as well. I did have like blush palettes of theirs as well, but never the face contour kit. So I'm very excited for that, especially now that I've started contouring again every once in a while for like special occasions and sometimes for filming. Today I haven't actually. And then we have from Ayiko. I love their brand. That's where I draw the line. Waterproof, flash enhancing liquid eyeliner. I do liquid eyeliner. I like eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner. I just had a mini stroke. Anyway, this is a liquid eyeliner. It's a felt tip pen and it does seem pretty sharp. Damn, yeah, that's sharp. It's so precise. Oh, the dots, the tiny dots, it's so precise, so ultra black and matte. Really, really like it. I have some of their other eyeliners. I've always loved them. They have so many different types of eyeliners. I don't use a lot of eyeliner daily. If I do use it, I try to use with less sophisticated makeup. I don't usually like black eyeliner over really colorful makeup. I don't know why. I prefer like the eyeliner by itself, but I do like to do dotting around the eyes and this is very, very precise, so I think I'll get a kick out of it for that. And also it's waterproof, so it's really good for if you're dotting like under eyes so it doesn't get like smudged or anything. And then we have this Works Intrinsic Camera Close-Up Mask Moisturizer and Primer in one. I actually already have one of these, but I haven't tried it yet. Let me feel up the texture. When I read primer, my first fear is that it's going to be silicone and it isn't at all, which I love. It sinks right into skin. It's sort of nourishing and that's why I feel like it's a mask sort of thing. It's definitely like a hydrating primer sort of, a hydrating moisturizer, but it does sink in super fast into skin. And the In-Transit line, I don't know if you know this, but it's like a range of products for city people so that, you know, we get a lot of pollution, and we have to prepare our skins to fight against pollution, to be like super antioxidized and super prepared like a barrier so that we can prevent aging or faster aging, you know. You can't really prevent aging, but you can prevent like premature aging. I have their moisturizer and SPF, which I really, really like, and I'm excited to try this one. Moving on, we have from the brand Avant. It's an RNA Radical Firmness Anti-Aging Serum. I have some of my... And they actually list some of the ingredients that the serum has, like here. I know some of these, not all of them, but some of these are really good, like niacinamide, you gotta love it. It's anti-inflammatory, it's anti-spots. Arginine is really good as an anti-aging. Urea or however you read it, it's really good as an emollient moisturizer. I really like it. Oh, it's like a milky serum. It smells really good. Again, it absorbs fast because it's very milky and lightweight. Yeah, going in the traveling box. When I go back and forth to Portugal, I always get into that box so I don't have to like be lugging around stuff. So from Spotlight, Love Your Smile, we have Teeth White Strips. And I really need them. I drink a lot of coffee. I love coffee. I used to hate coffee. Those were better times. I've had my teeth like lasered white. Not laser white, like professionally whitened with laser. And after I did it, because my teeth used to be really, really yellow, unbelievably horrible yellow by nature, and I did that treatment and they got really light. Not as light as my eyeballs. I always compare it to my eyeballs. Not as light as my eyeballs, I wish, but almost as light. But now that I started drinking coffee again and tea and stuff, it's just really, they're really dark. And these are 4 strips. Repeat every day for 2 weeks. So you don't have enough for 2 weeks, but you have enough for 4 days, and kind of to see if you see any difference within 4 days. I'm definitely gonna be trying this on my Instagram stories. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be trying them and maybe putting them as a highlight so you see any progress. And lastly, we have the Skin Republic Skin Laboratory Oxygen Cleanse Face Mask. This is a bubble purifying and charcoal face mask sheet. It's a foamy mask. It's one of those foamy masks that have been going around lately. Purifying bubble face mask sheet from activated charcoal. When exposed to air, the oxygenating mask begins to bubble and foam, diving deep into the skin's pores, eliminating impurities. Fruit acids exfoliate that skin cells for a bright, fresh, and luminous complexion. Anything that is sheet mask related, I'm on. And that's pretty much it for today. We have next month's special box. It's a brand I really, really adore, but I haven't had the chance to try a lot of. I've tried like 2 of the ranges completely as gifts, but I've never dove right into it. I know that I'm always eating here. I'm sorry. I have like a hair here or something that I'm not being able to grab. Anyway, it's Rituals! Okay, I took a lot of time to say Rituals. It's Rituals. I'm really excited about that. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Don't forget to click the button so you know every single time I'm uploading. And also, if you haven't watched yesterday's video, this is kind of a impromptu, not on the schedule video. So if you haven't watched yesterday's ASOS haul, please do. I try on a lot of their clothing and it's the best. Okay. See you in the next one. Bye. By the way, if you're wondering, the lipstick I'm using is Fenty's. What is it called? It's the lilac one. It's called One of the Boys, I think. One of the Boys with the